Alrighty, guys, I'll take it. Not a bad way to start off this Monday, as Sofi stock is up almost 4%, up over $14 per share, and the entire stock market is moving as well. So, guys, you know the drill. We have to break down Sofi, the charts, what I'm looking to do. But first, hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and get your free stocks for Moomoo. Once you open up your account using that link down below and you fund it with at least $100, you get 5 free stocks and a $30 cash reward. And fund your account with at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks, and overall your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, it's a no-brainer. So use that link down below or go to starsurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, guys, cheers. Let's get right into the video. So, man, check it out. Sofi is up almost 4% on the day. We're trading at $14.16. And earlier in the day, guys, just about 30 minutes ago, it was at $14.30. So we're obviously breaking out of the highs from Friday, where we hit about $13.70. We hit that in the middle of the day and right around close. So we're obviously ripping right out of those highs. We gapped above them this morning in the pre-market. And look, we actually consolidated right above those highs all pre-market today. Literally, all pre-market today, we held 1368 to 1370. We actually opened up in the morning. We pulled down to 1370, tested it again as support, and we bounced off. And we went all the way to 1430. So, guys, we're looking good on the intraday, breaking out of the highs from Friday, holding them as support. That's really good news. And here on the 5-day, 5-minute, you can see the trend is starting to shift. Is it not? I mean, look, we have a golden cross right now, which started on Friday. So clearly we're continuing the trend from Friday, which is good news. So we have that golden cross, and we're breaking out of the highs, like I said, from Friday, but also from Thursday. And we're now breaking out slightly of the highs from Wednesday, and we're pushing the highs from Monday now. Look, Monday, a week ago, we hit $14.44, and earlier today, we hit $14.30? So we got 14 cents away from that point. And here on the intraday, guys, it sure looks like Sofi wants more upside, as we're making higher highs and higher lows. At least we have been all day so far today. So Sofi looks phenomenal on the intraday. On the 5-day, we're getting to 1444. So I'm going to set my alert, actually, might as well, at 1450, which, if we get out of there, much more upside could be coming. So let me do that now. Mark is that we're above, $14.50. And here on the 10-day, 30-minute, you guys can clearly see, I mean, look, we ran up from 1060 to 1440. We had to cool off, right? We got the cool off. It sold off a bit. We flattened out, and now we're starting to bounce again. It looks like after about a week of cooling off, the trend is continuing. We're bouncing off these moving averages on the 30-minute and on the 1-hour chart. And now we're only one resistance away from fully breaking out, which, again, is at $14.45 to about 50 cents. And I put my alert at 1450. And, guys, does this not look kind of like an ascending triangle? Maybe even a bull flag. Actually, not really a bull flag, more like an ascending triangle. It looks like one, and it looks like we're poised, or not poised, bound. I don't know why I just said poised, or I guess you could say that too, but we're bound to break out. It sure looks like it. So we'll see what happens at 1450 here, guys. And if I pull up the 1-year chart, obviously it looks like a freaking rocket ship to the upside, right? And here on the max chart, if I zoom in a little bit, I know we talked about how 1350-ish was support all throughout 2021. we're starting to break out of there, which is good. And now we can officially, potentially at some point, start pushing more towards the top of this range, where in 2021, I think we traded all between 13.50, $14 to about 22 to $25. So maybe, we start slowly pushing in this next window. It is a big one. It's a massive window, but over time, this could be the next gap to fill here. Now that, it's pretty obvious we're breaking $13.50, $14. Next is $14.50, right? If that breaks, yeah, we're pretty much well back in this window here on Sofi, and the 20s wouldn't be too far-fetched. I know it sounds nuts, and even me saying this out loud, I mean, it just sounds ridiculous, because not because I don't believe in the company. I'm a shareholder. I believe in the company, but literally just 2 months ago, we were at $6, $7, right? Whatever. And now it's like we're already pushing 15, talking about 20. It's like, oh my goodness, this is moving so fast. But that's how stocks are, guys. And if you hold on the stocks that you believe in, not always will it pan out, but if you're right, you hold on, you're patient, it could pan out like this. And I was saying, guys, months ago that I think Sofi is a $10 to $12 stock, $15 stock, maybe even a $20 stock one day, not too far out. And I mean, look, here we are, $14.20. It's nuts. And if we break out of $14.50, like I said, this triangle plays out, we could be going even higher towards $17.50, $20 eventually. Not like right now, next week or something, but eventually, I'm thinking that's where we go. So what do you guys think? SoFi's up now almost 4.5%. It keeps climbing as this video is being recorded, and the intraday looks as good as ever. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'm actually very curious. And have you signed up to the email list yet? It's completely free. And I actually just sent out an email earlier today to over 1,200 people. And it's free. I'm sending you guys my top 3 stocks every Monday right to your email. All you have to do is put your first name and your email address using that link in the description box down below. It's a no-brainer, guys. It's free. So you might as well do it. And yeah, that is a quick breakdown on Sofi, which it keeps on pushing, baby. It looks like 1430 wants to hit. By the time you're watching this video, maybe it already hit. But overall, that's the breakout. We're looking, or the breakdown for this video. We're looking really good here after last week's little bit of selling. And the entire stock market is looking good as well. We have SPY currently up around 0.5%. Looks like the trend's continuing. We're bouncing off the 180 SMA. Triple Q, same thing. We're bouncing off the moving average. Trend is continuing. It's up over 1%. We're back over $500 a share as the Russell is moving as well. 2,300 points on the Russell right now. And we have the Dow at 43,400. Looks like we are finding support above the highs from the middle of October. That's a pretty good sign in the short term. We'll see if we actually get the official bounce. We're not there yet, but time will tell. Time will tell, guys. So, yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited about Sofi, the entire stock market, as we're slowly wrapping up this year. It is looking really good. So let me know your thoughts in the comments. Run the likes up. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out the Patreon if you want to be a part of the Patreon portfolio I'm building, my Discord chat, plus more. All of that is linked down below, and you might as well get your free stocks from Moomoo, also linked down below. Once you open up your account and fund it with at least $100, you get 5 stocks and a $30 cash reward. Fund your account with at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks, and overall your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, what are you waiting for? Use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.